guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work, and this week I will be decorating with spring blooms from According to Ali, and I'll also be bringing in her hexagon washi. And the pens that I will be using this week are my Pilot Vanishing Point, which has Pilot Iroshizuku Kujaku in it, and then my Cross Botanica Green Day Lily, which has just Herbon Ombre de Burgundy. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually write the days of the week on the side. I was flipping through my previous spreads and I really liked seeing all of the days of the week along the side here in their different colors. I thought it was really, really cool. And it's just a small little thing to add some decoration, but it sure adds quite a lot. Oh crap, I wrote Sunday twice. Is there a way to fix that? Sure, why not? Oh god, that's awful. All right, so, and then I'm gonna draw a line going straight down well, not straight down the middle. It's kind of two-thirds of the way. And perfect. Now I'm going to take, I have two of these sheets because I know I will need both of them if I'm going to use them in my Hobonichi weeks, but as well as the cousin weekly spread and the daily spreads. Those are my fingers after playing with a whole bunch of ink this afternoon. So let's place this big massive floral. I don't know which way it's supposed to go. Because I put something on top last week. And I'm going to place the washi down first. Then, the thing with me decorating my Hobonichi weeks compared to my other planners is that one, I do want it to be fun, but two, I am learning more about how I like to decorate this planner. I'm learning more about what works for me. I'm learning more about how I use it. I'm basically, 4 or 5 months into it because I started using this in December. And I really, really like how, I'm going to leave that sheet to the side. I really like how it's come together for me. Plus, Ali stickers are just so darn cute. But it's so easy for me to decorate this. And do I want to leave that completely? Yeah, just leave the decoration at the bottom. It's going to be very simple. I'm looking at it now and it is going to be very simple. I kind of don't want to leave anything up there. I want to add a bit more. But okay, we'll add this teeny tiny one. But I have to make sure I still have enough. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if I take this one and place it just up at the top here. And then this pen, just write the word notes. And this week I will be taking notes with both of these pens, which I'm really excited about. So I'm gonna go in and start filling in my meetings, which I will zoom through and then go from there. there's the overall finished spread, and I absolutely love the colors of the ink with the stickers. I think it's a perfect match. All right, so thank you guys for joining me for this quick plan with me. Basically, with my Hobonichi weeks, there's 3 places that I really put stickers: down here, here, or up here. And yes, I know it's going to bulk that up in the future, but I do need this space for my meetings, and I use this space for notes. So I decorate functionally. I don't know. All right. But again, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you again and have a great day.